You've seen it. The rock cracking eggs into a cup and slugging them down. Maybe you've even done it yourself. You're thinking, that's the most alpha thing I can do for my gains. But here's what nobody told you. You are literally sabotaging your own body. I'm a doctor, I've studied biochemistry, and I'm here to tell you today, with full medical backing, stop eating your eggs raw. Let me explain exactly what's happening inside your body when you do. Let's start with the main reason people eat raw eggs in the first place. Protein. You crack open those eggs, throw them in a shake, thinking you're loading up on muscle fuel. Here's the problem. Your body can only absorb about 50% of the protein in a raw egg. 50%. Cook that same egg, your absorption jumps to over 90%. That's nearly double the protein from the exact same egg. So if you're eating 6 raw eggs thinking you're getting the full benefit, you might as well be throwing 3 of them in the bin. The reason for this is that heat changes the structure of egg proteins, making them far easier for your digestive enzymes to break down and absorb. Raw egg proteins are still tightly coiled. Your gut struggles to unpack them efficiently. So right from point 1, cooking wins. Every single time. Now here's something that I know from personal experience. When I was in my first year of medical school, I had just started going to the gym at our college. I was motivated, I was consistent, but I was a broke med student. I didn't even have a proper cooker in my room. So I did what the bodybuilders online were doing. I cracked the eggs raw and drank them. A few weeks in, I started noticing something strange. Small, painful wounds at the corners of my mouth, cracked, sore, wouldn't heal. I kept wondering, what is this? Then it clicked. A few weeks later, sitting in our biochemistry lecture, I finally got the answer. Avidin. Raw egg white contains a protein called avidin. Avidin's job, its entire biological purpose, is to bind to a vitamin called biotin, or vitamin B7. It grabs onto biotin so tightly that your intestines simply cannot absorb it. The biotin passes right through you, unused. And when your biotin drops, your skin begins to break down, especially around the openings of your body, your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Those wounds at the corners of my mouth, that's called angular cheilitis, a classic sign of biotin deficiency. It was literally a textbook case, happening to me. And here's the irony, eggs are actually rich in biotin. But when you eat them raw, the avidin in the egg white cancels out that biotin completely. You're eating something nutritious and making it work against you. The good news? Cooking destroys avidin. Heat denatures it. It loses its grip on biotin entirely. Cook your eggs, and all that biotin is yours to absorb freely. Let's talk about the one everyone knows about, but nobody takes seriously enough. Salmonella. About 1 in 20,000 eggs carry Salmonella bacteria, and you can't see it, you can't smell it. The contamination can happen before the shell even forms, inside the hen itself. When you eat a contaminated raw egg, you're looking at diarrhea, severe cramps, fever, and vomiting, typically starting within 6 hours to 6 days. For most healthy people, it passes in about a week. Uncomfortable, but survivable. But here's the thing, if you're training hard, running a caloric surplus, possibly taking supplements that affect your gut, a Salmonella hit can wipe out weeks of progress. You're bedridden. You're not eating, you're not training, you're dehydrated. And in rare cases, the bacteria can enter the bloodstream and cause infections that are genuinely life-threatening. Cooking the egg kills Salmonella completely. Problem solved. Let me also quickly flag some other things raw eggs do to your body. Number 1, they can trigger food allergies more easily. Proteins in raw egg whites are more allergenic before cooking. Cooking reduces this risk. Number 2, digestive distress. Raw egg white contains enzyme inhibitors that interfere with your digestion. This can cause bloating, gas, and general gut discomfort. The last thing you need when you're trying to perform in the gym. Number 3, zero nutritional advantage. Multiple studies confirm there is no benefit to eating eggs raw over cooked. None. You don't preserve more vitamins, You don't absorb more nutrients. You just add risk for absolutely no gain. So here's the bottom line from your fit doctor. Cook your eggs. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or pan-fried any way you like. It takes 5 minutes. It doubles your protein absorption, it protects your vitamins, it eliminates bacterial risk, and it tastes infinitely better than a raw egg sliding down your throat. The Rock looks impressive drinking raw eggs, but I promise you he has a full kitchen, a chef, and a team of nutritionists. That shot is not dietary advice. That's cinema. Trust the biochemistry, trust the evidence. And if you found this useful, subscribe, because this channel exists for one reason: to give you the science that actually helps you build a better body. I'll see you in the next one.